Welcome to the Baking Lowdown. Today we're going to be making a recipe out of vegan at times apple blackberry pies. This is my first time making pie. It looks delicious. We thought, why not? It's the holiday season. It's a perfect meal for it. So let's jump right to it. Now you're going to need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Put it in a food processor and give it a pulse till it's blended well. Then you're going to take 1 cup of butter, chop it up to small pieces, put it in a food processor, give it a pulse till the butter is about pea size, and then you're good. Now add in 6 tablespoons of ice water and put that into your dry ingredients. And then when you're done with that, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Give that all a pulse. Once it's all mixed up, you're going to want to take your dough and make 2 even balls, roll them out, make them flat, and then put them in plastic wrap and into your fridge for about 30 minutes. You're going to roll one out, stretch it about 12 inches so you have some overhang on a 9-inch pan. So after you do that, you're going to peel about 4 apples, cut them into about 1/4 inch thick slices while your oven preheats at 425. You're going to put these in a bowl and toss them with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon, 1/3 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of flour, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and salt. And then once you layer it up, as you see me doing here, you're going to add in your blackberries and toss that around. Try to make it as even as possible. Roll out that other dough to 12 inches and cover the top of it, and then fold in your layers as you see here. And then once that's done, you're going to brush the top of your pie with a little bit of water before putting it in the oven, and then make a couple of slits on the top so this way your steam can vent out of your pie. You're going to let this cook on 425 for about 15 minutes and then reduce it to 375 for an additional about 45 minutes, and then get ready to eat. So we had our piece after dinner. How'd you enjoy that, Logan?
I think it was really good. It tasted sweet. It was still hot.
Yeah.
Mine started to crumble, but it was so good.
We let it cool down for about 2.5 hours and then cut a slice, shared it. It's really good. I should have made the bottom crust a little thicker, but it is a really good pie, and I'm not even a person who really likes pie, but this is delicious. It's nice and sweet, has that crunchy crust on the top. We recommend it. Till next time, have a sweet day.